Are you a wagwan? It's the Okeffect, and you already know that everything is okay at Orms. Orms has everything a creative needs, whether you're into filmmaking, photography, or any visual art. From the latest camera gears to high quality accessories, everything is really okay at Orms. You should come to Orms, for real, for real. Got gears that need fixing? Say no more. Orms offers top-notch repair services to keep your gear in perfect shape. Are you trying to upgrade or sell your used gear? Orms buys and sell second-hand equipment, giving you great deals and options. Sometimes it's better to try before you buy. Orms has a wide selection of professional cameras in the rental department. If you're a film photographer, Orms has a mini lab for scanning and developing your film. We're heading to the Orms Print Room now. Yeah, let's go. When you're ready to print your masterpiece, Orms Print Room and Framing offers top-notch services. A lot of people don't know this, but Orms has their own framing factory. Shh, this is where the magic happens. Woo! Everything is okay. We're on our way to the Orms School of Photography. Come on in. Welcome to the Orms Cape Town School of Photography, aka OCTSP. All right, we're here in Orms Cape Town School of Photography in one of their photo studios. Look how amazing it is. Do you want to sharpen your creative skill? Orms Photography School offers courses for every level, helping you master in the art of capturing and creating stunning visuals.